husband seemed to have almost the same symptoms with me, and I was asking him, what's going on? Why are we having this kind of symptoms? The last thing we did that was naughty was the one we did on your birthday. So what's going on? Please, let's get ourselves checked. We ran some tests. They didn't see anything. Typhoid, malaria infection, there was nothing. And then the doctor said that we should go and do HIV, hepatitis test and all of that, and we did. Hey, my husband and I tested positive for HIV, and the only person that could have given us this was this lady, since the symptoms was just new. I didn't know how to start crying. I didn't know how to start wailing. I didn't know if I should rip my husband's shirt apart, because he told me that he had tested this girl, that she showed him a particular test result, that she was clean and everything, not knowing that the test result, I don't even know if it belongs to her, if it was her real name. We just did all we had to do blindly, and we didn't even use protection. Now we have landed ourselves in soup. We have 2 kids. How on earth are we going to raise these children with our mental state right now? How will my husband continue going to work? I've not even opened my shop for almost 2 months now. I am just at home regretting my life. Spicing up my marriage has landed my husband and I in trouble. We started praying every morning, going to NSPPD. In fact, any prayer at all online, we always join. If God can forgive us and take this nightmare away from our lives, because we deeply regret our actions.